Hello, YouTubers and cookers, I guess. How to make Swedish pancakes. First, you need a half a two whatever thing. You need some milk, eggs, 2 eggs, some flour, of course, and some sugar. So, first thing you need and a blender. So, you have a blender, then I'm gonna hook it up. Okay. Okay, so. Hey Mom, how much flour? Like 3 flours?
You only need a half cup that.
Okay. Sugar.
3 tablespoons.
Okay, so you need 3 tablespoons of sugar to make Swedish pancakes. So, 2 eggs. 2 eggs. So you wanna, whoa. Okay. Okay. That was my first egg. I messed up on that one a little bit. Then you want to crack the other one. Yummy. Egg. Mom, can you hand me some napkins? Never mind. And then some sugar. That was my mom. Okay. Okay, so 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. Oh snap. And then I should have done the milk first because it will rot if you keep it out for too long. Okay, so half of a cup of milk. Put it in your blender. Let me put this back in the fridge. Yummy. Then some flour. Okay, wait. Okay, you can see it. Half of a cup of flour. If you have a little bit too much, just slide it off and put it back into there. It's alright if you make a mess. Put it in there.
Did you just say it's alright if you make a mess?
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, your mom cleans it up if you're a kid. Okay, so yeah, that's everything. Milk, egg, flour, and sugar. So let me put this back in the dish thing. Okay, gotta make sure no airs in the flour. So, oh no. No. Okay. Then we gotta put everything away. you have to have butter and a plate. I'll show you stuff with it here. Okay. So when you have this like that, first of all you wanna. Oh wait, you need a knife so you can put the butter on the pan. But I'll get that to you at when I'm starting to cook. So get whatever. I got a fork. Then if you have a sucky whatever to make smoothies with a blender, then you want to spin it at first for a little bit. So spin it. Well, yeah, stir it. Yeah, whatever. Mom, you're gonna clean this, right?
No.
Oh, okay, I'll clean it. And then you need a spatula when you're cooking, of course. I think everyone does. Please like this video if it really helped you. How to cook Swedish pancakes the right way, and it will taste delicious if you cook it the right way and make it. Now, if you did something wrong, just go back to the that thing, and then just and then show you back or watch the video again to make sure. Okay, so you're done spinning it. You put all the stuff on the fork or whatever you use, knife, spoon. And then put it in dishes. Okay, so Hey Mom.
Yes.
Where's that sharpening thing? Well, yeah, that sort of looks like this. Yeah.
It's in the dish drainer.
Oh.
Dish.
Oh, this thing.
There it is.
Sorry.
You should tell them that you should always have everything ready.
You should always have everything ready. That's what my mommy said.
Yeah, before you cook, you should have all your stuff ready.
Yeah, I did have all my stuff ready.
Obviously not.
Yeah, I did. Well, except this, and that's it. Oh. Okay. And then I can shake it around, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that you just push it. Oh, that outlet doesn't work, Matt. That's what
Oh. Okay, so let me bring the computer over. Can you do the bullet thing? I have no idea how. Okay, so you need the lights on when you start cooking. Good. Cooking. Okay, so you're going to do the bullet right here. Can I take it out? Wait, can you do it? I just wanted to try it.
Yeah, but I mean, with whatever you were stirring it with before, remember I told you you have to keep stirring it every time before you put it in the pan? You cannot overbeat the batter.
Sorry. I'll start cooking in a little bit. Just needs to get ready. Spin around and stuff.
Now you don't need this anymore.
Okay. So,
Did you heat up your pan?
no, not yet. That's why I was going to do it.
On
right
a
now.
medium to low heat.
Okay, yeah, to 5. Wait, I want to show them.
But they might not have a 5 on their stove if you're doing a YouTube video.
Okay, so the other thing is you need some cooking spray.
Butter.
And butter.
Well, usually we use butter.
Well, I like to do it my way. Oh yeah. Okay, so. Oh my goodness. So use it to a medium to cook the Swedish pancakes. So mine's I like to use a 5. And if you're cooking, you gotta make sure it's the right area, which is for me. Do I put the butter on right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't call me honey on YouTube.
What'd you say, Mom? No, I've been doing stuff with the kids and then started.
Sorry for the background noises. Just, I sort of learned this like 2 days ago. Like 1 year ago.
Herself with all the toys.
So you need some
And
butter.
then she got every stuffed animal off this.
Put it in there, but don't put your hands in it. Just wait until it like melts. Want to move it around though. Okay, so then if you want to keep making Swedish pancakes, leave the butter there. But so it's going to take a little bit to heat up. So spatula, gooey stuff, aka pancake dough or Swedish pancake dough. And okay, so I'm not going to make scrambled eggs. Just wait a little bit. And you want the lights on like this. And if you're a parent trying to make a kid cook this, make sure that there's a parent watching me. And I'm like, I don't need a parent watching me because I'm perfect at making food. Okay, so when the pan starts having smoke coming out of here in this area, you have to put the pancake dough on there. You don't have to. You can wait a little bit longer. But you can. Okay, it's starting because the butter's very low. Okay. Okay, so then I'll be right back. No, I won't. That was a test. Okay. And you never want to leave this. Never. Ever, ever, ever. Or you'll die, maybe, of a fire or something like that. Yeah, I gotta go. Psych! Okay. So, when the butter has melted, and I see a little bit of smoke, on it's like uneven, so don't freak out if it's uneven. It will be uneven. But you want to try to stay on the side where it will like easily flip over. So for me, it will easily flip over right here. Now, the other sides are like you gotta go like that instead of this. You just want to wait until it cooks. And if you try to make it even, you want to like move it around like that. Put a little bit more. And then if you like, okay, You'll see how soft it will be. Magical doo-doo. Smells good, doesn't it? Smells mostly like butter. Should I flip it? Oh, looks like it should.
Yeah, it looks like it's ready.
And you want to flip it, of course. Oh, okay. That's weird. I'm throwing this piece away. I'll be right back. The longest time you can leave the stove for is like 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. I'm here. And booyah, Swedish pancake. Okay. Then you want to put a little bit more butter. Not too much, but a little bit more. Oh. Sorry for the background noises. Then the first time you've done it, you can easily put it back on after the butter has melted. So just wait a second. You don't want the spoon in when you stir it, so I'm just now, if you would like to eat a lot, I would recommend you would like make a giant pancake thing. Okay, just wait until it cooks. I hope you do like this video. I hope you. Let's make a 250 likes. How to make Swedish pancakes. It would be very helpful. Yeah.
What, if you cleaned up after yourself?
No, if they like this video, how to make Swedish pancakes. Haha. Yeah. Okay, looks ready to be flipped. Yeah, it looks ready.
I thought you were saying it would be helpful.
No, it won't be helpful if I clean after myself.
So it'd be like, holy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're cutting my Swedish pancakes for me, since I am the chef.
You're making some for Sissy, right?
Oh yeah. I forgot. No, I didn't. I'll make the next one for her.
Okay.
And then if you're eating or serving for the children, I would recommend you make a small one. Yay! But I'm putting hers on my plate, but on a separate side. Oh. I should make her too, like yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Oh yeah, butter. I would use about this much butter. Woohoo! Okay, the butter's melted. Oh, I think I made this one perfect. Look at this. It's all a circle. Instead of all a W or something. Look at this.
It is perfect. Beauty.
Oh yeah, when you're cooking the Swedish pancake, when you know to flip it in the circle, look, around it, it will be like golden, and in the circle, it will be white. So it's okay. So when it's golden on the sides, that's when you should flip it. You gotta say this is perfect. Okay, now mine is bonded. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a lot of smoke. Whew. Oh yeah, if you put too much butter, it will smell terrible. Because it'll smell like, just like butter, but like, ugh, butter. So when the sides are golden and in the middle is white, that's when you should flip it, when the sides are golden. Okay, I should flip it. The sides are golden. Oh, snap, I messed up. Yeah, terribly messed up. Yeah, I messed up on this one. If you mess up, please put the garbage right next to the, like, right next to where you're cooking.
Ava.
Sorry for the background noises. I have a baby sister, so that's why my mom's like, it's first. Let me taste one of mine, actually. Mm. 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 That's really good. My pancakes are always brown golden.
Yummy in my tummy.
This will be delicious for you guys. Delicious. I hope this really did help. Because if you like the food and you like this YouTube video, like that button. Just smash it if you need to. It's delicious. Too bad my mom's allergic to egg. If she tastes this, she would feel like it's angel food. Wow, that's weird. Yes, I did say that. Because it does taste good.
That it does. Smells good.
Smells like butter. Yeah, this one isn't good.
But you're such an amazing cook.
I did throw away some. Oh, what the heck? Okay. Butter, 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 butter. Doesn't it smell more like butter instead of everything? Whoa! Than everything else. Oh, sorry. No, this is delicious. Make sure you never leave the spatula inside this. Like this. Never. Taste it. Don't touch your food right after you cook it. Do not. And then, after you're all done with this, you gotta do the dishes and clean after all that. That's the only sucky part of it. It's messy. But everything else, totally tubular. Look at this, it looks like an alien's face. Just put like eyes and then a little mouth and then...
Do you want any turkey sausage more?
Nah, I'm good. Just gonna have Swedish. Ah, crap. Flipped it too early. Hey, you can't cook when I'm making a video.
Then hurry. I'm cooking.
Okay, I hope this really helped you guys how to make Swedish pancakes, and subscribe, like it, and goodbye.